Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new brushes, all for you guys today here in this video. So over the past year, I think it's been about a year now, it's been a while, I teamed up and collaborated with the amazing company Craftamo. These are, in my opinion, some of the best brushes I've ever worked with. They're the most beautiful in my opinion, and I picked all of the colors, the bristles, the sizes, the box, the writing, all of that. The design is me, the production is all Craftamo, and I want to thank them so much. They're such an amazing, wonderful company, and I'm super flattered and proud to be collaborating with them and teaming up with them. So these are going to be only a limited edition. There's going to be only a limited supply of these available. So make sure that after this unboxing video, you guys tap the bell on my channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on the official launch date where you can purchase these brushes. You can also head down here, click the Craftamo link I'll supply, so you can pre-order them and not miss out before they sell out. You want to make sure that you have a set of these. They're amazing. I've been trying them out and painting with them for over a year now. So I just want to take the time to really thank you guys, each and every one of you out there who has subscribed to my channel, followed my tutorials, and really helped to create this large community that we have here. It's just been so much fun meeting all of you, connecting with all of you guys on a daily basis. And if it weren't for you all out there, I would not be able to offer these brushes here. So thank you guys. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do this. And of course, Craftamo, thank you again so much, Craftamo, for collaborating with me on these amazing brushes. So I think we're ready to go ahead and open this box and let you guys see how pretty these brushes are. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up. There's a nice little flap. It's magnetic here. Okay. So here we have Joni Young and Craftamo. Lovely gold. This is very pretty. And then we've got, you guys will get this beautiful art print of my painting. And then over on the back, we have all the information here. The Joni Young Craftamo Artist Brush Collaboration delivers 5 of Joni's most loved brush shapes and sizes, beautifully presented with the Joni Young Original Gift Box. 100% cruelty-free brush hair provides the perfect amount of control that Joni Young expects from her brushes. Combining this with the recycled gold ferrules and purple handles has resulted in a stunning brush set that delivers exceptional performance. Okay, so there's also how to clean your brushes here on the website. And let's go, and here's the website right here again, all the info you need, and I'll have a link below as well, of course. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out these brushes. Isn't this pretty? First of all, I want to mention that it's in a beautiful velvet, black velvet casing in here. And I'm going to start off with the first brush up here, my favorite brush. I shouldn't say my favorite brush. I think I say that about all the brushes, but one of my favorite brushes is the mop brush. And here we have the 1-inch mop brush. It's got my name, Craftamo, and pretty violet colored handles. They're very smooth and glossy. And then we've got a protective little casing on here. Take it off, and we've got the lovely gold ferrules and super soft, beautiful, almost feels as soft as the velvet casing. So this is just the right size for almost anything you're working on in a painting. This is my go-to size, and this produces some really beautiful bushes and treetops. You guys are gonna love this one. Okay, so there we have that brush. Oops, let me turn it around here. You guys notice that I use a lot of 1-inch mop brushes, so that's why I chose the 1-inch. And then we've also got the flat brush. This is a number 20, but it's roughly 1 inch. And a flat brush is very, very useful for creating those cleaner edges, straighter edges, even for fine lines. lots of uses, and I use the flat brush quite a bit. So I wanted to include this one in my set. And just a reminder, I'm going to be going through all these brushes on May 19th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here on my channel. I'm going to be creating a step-by-step tutorial demonstrating and using each one of these brushes so you see how beautifully they work and the brush stroke comes out of them. So not only are they excellent brushes, they're very, very pretty. Okay, so we've got next the number 14 filbert brush. And using these is another way of protecting your brushes. It just really helps to keep them tight and their bristles together. But these are very, very nice bristles. They're not too soft, they're not too stiff. They make just the best, most effective brush strokes. So again, I've been using these. I had a set that I was using for months and months just to make sure that they held up. I was using the same set of brushes to see if any hairs, I wanted to make sure no hairs or bristles were going to fall out of them, no paint was going to come off of here, that they were comfortable, and that they worked really well. And I absolutely love how they work. Next brush we have here is the rigger brush. Whoops, a number 2 rigger brush. Another very effective brush, liner brush. Some people call them rigger brushes. They're also known as a long liner brush. So these are beautiful brushes to use for those dramatic, long sweeping lines. You can use these for lots of little fine details, branches, long grass, and you'll see me demonstrating on May 19th here when I use these brushes and do a step-by-step painting tutorial for you all. Yeah, so I wanted to make sure that I included a rigger liner brush here in this set. I use these quite a bit. And the last but not least, round brush. So this is a number 3. This is a great size. It's nice and pointy on the end, so you can let off on the pressure you use, and it can be like using a short or mini liner brush. So you've got the long liner, you can use this as a short liner, and also a round. This is very, very useful for fine details, maybe thicker branches. And you guys notice in my tutorials that I start off with thicker branches from the tree trunk, and then I switch over to a long, thinner liner or rigger brush like this. So these two are very, very important, and I wanted to make sure I added these to my set of 5 brushes here. What else can I say about these brushes? I can't get over how gorgeous the gold and the purple look together. You guys know that I'm all about color. I love complementary colors, and I know these two just look really, really pretty together. So it also ties in with this beautiful print. We've got some gold light, warm gold light in here. We've got some lavender colored palm leaves here and some wisteria flowers back there. So it kind of all goes together. Again, we've got all the info here on the back. Cruelty free, that was really, really important to me. Nothing was harmed in the making of these. So that is also a big, big plus for these brushes. Okay, so you've seen the brushes, you've seen how beautiful they are. And I look forward to seeing you guys here on May 19th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the demo. I'm going to do a painting demonstration, take you guys through step by step, show you how to paint a pretty little landscape using each one of these brushes. I'll show you how to use them and how amazing they are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and look forward to the painting tutorial on May 19th with me, and then the official launch date, of course, May 21st, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here on my channel. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.